Wake up early, pick your favorite coffee, take the long way out. Let the morning hold you, wear the fit that fits, and hold your head up high. Make the small things count, one step at a time. Clear the noise away, keep your eyes on life. Fall in love with your life. Fall in love with your life. Your life, your life. Small moments, big shine. You build it day by day. Put your phone aside, then you one thing focus. Step by step you win. Calm mind, strong hands, take a short break, then get back in motion. Set the goal, stay true. Work through what is hard. A focused heart goes far. A focused heart goes far. Fall in love with your life. Fall in love with your life. Your life, your life. Small moments, big shine. You build it day by day. Don't give up now. Smile on what you have. Good food, good sweat, strong energy in your chest. You are becoming